I'm just kidding. Sorry for the air. The air is moving my what do you call this? Carpet? I don't even know what you call it. A tent. My tent's too loose and you're gonna hear the aerodynamic, but let's get to this product. We're just gonna do the Lasko first, or Lasko, I don't know how you say it. That one's over here. And yeah, let's open it. So I just took off the tape, but let's see what they gave us as a product. This jam in there. Oh snap. Yeah, it's jam in there. I'm basically acting like a damn caveman trying to take this shit out. Pull it. Pull. Pull, yeah. You see? It ain't no joke.
I can't out the camera too.
Get back. It's jam in there. You think I was playing? Yo, I might have to rub the box because it's jam in there. I'm working as quick as possible so you guys can see it. Yeah, look, that's why it's jammed. They put too much of this. They stuffed it up like a turkey. Can you get this? There we go. One's done. Whew. I think this one's bigger than my other fan. This one's bigger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's bigger. Because compared to my other one, the other one's small. I was about to drop it, fam. That fan was about to go, oh hell nah, I need a refund. I give up on that. So we got the screws here, you guys can see, 4 screws, same thing as the other one. You put them here at the bottom. You connect this as a circle and just put in the screws. The same thing as the other one. Stand it up, and that's pretty much it. This is the fan, guys. This one's bigger, so it is good for the product for $70. And then it got I forgot for the last video, it has a timer, so if you're sleeping, you can click the timers. The buttons are on top too. I don't know what's ION. That's new, so we're gonna check that out on this one, what it is on top. Other than that, guys, there's the fan. I'll let you guys know in a month or two how is it working and how's it doing, and I'll see you guys around. Bye bye.